Hello, my name is Parvin Eyvazov, and today I'm going to talk about the mobile application that's called Karo. Karo is a mobile application for the university communities, and this is basically the social media for between the communities, university communities, and between the students. Let's start looking at our welcome page. This is our welcome page, and this page is contains the user login and also contains the community login. And we have the sign up part here. Let's get in the sign up part. And this is the sign up part. We have to give our student number, name, surname, mail address, and password. And we have to confirm our password. And we're going to give the faculty and the department of ours. And if we already have an account, we will go back to the login part with there. Let's starting with signing up with our system, and we're gonna fill our student number. We'll write 2020, for example, as an example. We're gonna write, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we're not going to write the same password, it's going to say insert the same password. For example, take this one, this one, and we signed up to our system. Let's log into our system with the information that we signed up. We go right 2020 that, and as a password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we are going to log into our page to our system, firstly it's going to show us the timeline part. The timeline part is show us the events that we are following these communities, and if these communities are going to organize some events, we will see these events here in this page. And we have explore part. We can explore communities and also the events of them. Let's try to find the community that we are not following. For example, we are not following this community. When we're going to join this community, we will go back, and when we're going to, we're not going to see that, and we will see the events of this community in our timeline part. And this is the explore events part. In this part, we can explore the events of the communities that we didn't join before. For example, let's look at this one. We can see the details of the events. If we want to join this event, we have to join to this community first. After joining this community, we will see this community part, community page, and we can join this community from here, and we can go this event from here, and we will say, okay, I will, this is the icon for that we will definitely join to our event. This is the maybe join part, and that means he's not going to join to this event. And after joining the community, we can also write some comments. Let's write some comment. After going to say that, for example, we will just put the reject part, and we will say we are not going to go this event. And when we are going to refresh it, it will just go. And we have the profile part. In this profile part, we have two main place. The first one is for the show us the joined communities. For example, we joined these communities before. When we are going to exit from these communities, we're just going to look at this number is going to be 1. And this is the part for the events that we joined. We put the joined icon. For example, let's say I will join this. And when we are going to look, we will see that, okay, this is our joined events. And we have the settings part. In the settings part, we can update our informations, like for a name, surname, and mail, and our faculty and department. Let's do that. Doing this, and let's say 1. We can see that it's changed here, and like that. And we can also change our password. Let's try to change our password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you're not going to write the same password, it will say us to insert the same password, please. And we changed our password. Let's try it with logging out and logging in again. This is our old password. When we're going to log in, it say wrong ID or password 7. We can get in the system again. And let's log in, log out actually. Let's also talk about the community login part or community admins login part. And this part is just for the admins for these communities. And for example, I know the community admin, for example, 8, and that password is 5 4 5 6 7 2 3 9. And when we are going to get in the system, in the first page, we're going to see the events page. In the events page, we can see the events that are organized by this community, and we can see the information of these events. For example, we can look at the second one or third one. And this part is just going to show us the comments of the comments come to this event. And for example, we don't have, we have comment. And we also can delete the comment. For example, be sure it's just going to delete our comment. And when we can also edit our event information. For example, I'm going to say Cyberguanic 2, 2 or 4, that's right. And we can change the coda to the 60, and we can also change the date. And when we're going to update, it's just going to update all of the information of the event. In the second page, we have is just add the event page. We can add some events to our communities. For example, we can write hack computers, the title, and as a description, we will write bring also your computers, and we can choose the date, and the location is, let's give lab 1, and as coda is 50. And when we're going to add the event, this event will come here, and we can also delete this event with slide it, and are sure we say yes, and we just delete this event. As the third part is our profile part. This is the profile for the communities. This is the show that how many people joined this community, and we can look these people. We can also delete these people from the community, and it's just going to show us the 0 here. And this is the number of the events we organizing. For example, we can also delete them from here, and it's 2. And we also have the setting part for our event information. For example, we can change the community name, we can change our description or supervisor name or contact info, office address, manager name, Instagram address, and Twitter address. And we can also change our password the same with our user side. And after changing, we can just update it, and it's just coming the profile page. And after that, when we want, we can log out, and we can come to the welcome page.